Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import the Google Moon 3D as terrain or prop into your iClone 8.1 3D animation software. Now you can see this is Google Moon, and you can see Google already made the whole moons available in 3D models, and everything actually they are in 3D. We can grab these 3D terrains and make it available for your iClone 8 3D animation software. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. So first, I'm going to close everything. The first step, what you are going to do is just scroll down, go to my video description to get the Google Moon 3D grabber. Download it and you will get a zip file. And then you have to extract the zip file into the folder and open the folder. You will get the RenderDoc 1.13. This is the installer. You have to install it into your computer. And next, you have to make sure you already installed the Google Chrome in your computer. And then, once everything ready, we can start. First, you start the RenderDoc. Then, first step, click File, inject into Process. Come to here, type Chrome, C-H-R-O-M-E. Next, open the Google Chrome by using my Google Chrome RenderDoc shortcut that provided for you. Double click, and you can see the Google Chrome is totally blank in white color with the conversations. Back to your RenderDoc version 1.13, you refresh it here, you should be able to see the Google Chrome GPU. Click here, and then click Inject. Then come to here, the Google Chrome GPU, click OK. Now everything will be ready. If your Google Chrome already started, you should be able to see that this is some white text with the black background. Then the next step is just go to the Google Map, maps.google.com. Then the first step, what you are going to do is click the layer, click more. Make sure you activate the the globe view like this. Then you scroll down until you see all the planets come out. The moon is at here. Now this is the moon. Then you can see all the 3D territory. They are available for 3D. Let's say if I want to capture this, then you have to back to the Google Chrome. Capture after delay, you set it for 5 seconds. Then you click capture after delay, back to here. You have to hold your mouse to just move it and drag it and shake it for 5 seconds. Then release it. You can see one capture, save capture frames. Back to your RenderDoc here. Now you should be able to see that it appears here. You have to right click and save it. Save it as RDC file, and as demo, I will save it on my desktop. I create a new folder, name this as Moon01. Right. Then the file name, I will name this as Moon01. Then save it. Now the RDC file is a type of the 3D mesh formats, but you cannot direct drag into your iClones. The next step, now I can close the RenderDoc. Next step, back to the Google Map 3D grabber. You should be able to see the Blender 3.0 given by me. The Google Map importer already ready. The plugin already pre-installed. You have to just double click in and open the Blender. First step, just select everything here and press delete button to delete it. Then click edit preferences. Under the add-on, here you have to search maps. Then you should be able to see the maps model importer. You have to make sure you tick it to activate it, and then close it. Now you click file, import. You should be able to see the Google Map capture. The RDC file now can be imported into Blender. Select this. It is on my desktop. the moon01, the moon01.rdc. Now you can see this is really the moon's territory, the moon's terrain. You activate the texture material. The first step, what you are going to do is just select everything and press Ctrl J to make sure all the 3D mesh combine into one single mesh. At this moment, you can export it out. Right, in your Blender, you have to export as FBX file into the Moon01 folder. Click File, Export FBX on my desktop, the Moon01 folder. The path mode, you have to choose copy, and here you have to highlight it to make sure that the texture and material is embedded within the FBX file. The file name, I will just name this as Moon01. Click Export FBX. Now, it exported as FBX already. Now, I can close the Blender without saving it. I don't save it. If I double click the FBX file now, it is going to open by using the 3D viewer in Windows 10, and it is really in 3D, you can see. Now, in this tutorial, we are going to import the Google Moon 3D into iClone 8.1 3D animation software to make it as a prop and also make it as a terrain so that your 3D avatar can walk on the terrains. Now, I already opened my iClone 8 3D animation software. I just need to drag in the FBX file to the center. And the next step, what I'm going to do is just scroll down and click here to make sure the pivot is at the center. Now it is at the center already. You drag it up and click zero out. Now it will be perfect at the center. The first step, what I'm going to do is just go to the prop there, save as a custom prop. I click save. The file name, I will name this as Moon01 and save it as a prop. Now this prop can be used anywhere. It is an iProp. You can see I drag. I can duplicate so many. But next, what I'm going to do is just make it as a terrain as well. To make it as a terrain, I have to press R to make it bigger. To make it as a real terrain, like this. Right. Once done already, then I can just right click it to convert it to terrain. Now it already become a terrain with proper collision. Now everything made perfectly. The next step, what am I going to do is just go to the terrain. It is under the set terrain. Then I will save it as a terrain. The name I will put as Moon01 terrain. Now it is a terrain. That means I can let my 3D avatar, my iClone avatar, to walk on it. So now as demo, I will just go back to the template and call out a 3D avatar. For example, this, a 3D avatar. And then, wait. And next, I will let this 3D avatar to walk on the terrain. So I have to just adjust it to a correct place like this. And then, I will activate the motion director. This is a female. I apply. And I just want to test whether can she walk on the terrains with a proper collision. I click OK. I click OK. Now, you can see she really walk on the moon terrain with a correct collision. Some of the places that will be higher, she really can walk on the terrain. And you can see this is a hole, this is a crest. supposed to just drop into that. Yes, you can see it really have a perfect collision drop. Yes. Right, everything really worked properly. This is really a moon terrain. Right. Now everything success. I stop it and go back to the macro data, click on that and create the clips. And I can view one more time. Back to the window workplace standard. Now I can view one more time. Play. Yes, everything worked perfectly. Drop. Alright. Once you ready success, I'm going to save this as a project file. Right click, save the project as, and I will save it as the moon project as well. Save it here. Right. Now everything success ready. This tutorial I already show you how to import the Google Moon 3D as an iProp or 3D terrain for your iClone 8.1 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation, 3D modeling and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial or sharing, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animation and game developing. See you.